We can record serial numbers. So this is used for purchase and selling serial number tracking. So you can record a serial number at the time you buy something and the serial number at the time you sell it, so you can see where it is, when it was sold, etc. You can componentalize products. This is useful for when you need to have products that refer to other products. One example might be a gift hamper, where you create a product for the gift hamper and you have products that are contained in the gift hamper, for example a bottle of wine and so forth. This can be then used to manage the stock of the bottle of wine when you sell the gift hamper. Another example is a cocktail, where you have various spirits that go into the cocktail along with milk or juice or what have you. There's really quite a number of uses for this. It's quite simple to use. Simply scan the code that you want to add and the quantity. This could be a decimal quantity or it could be a full unit quantity. This is the stock tab. The stock tab tells us about what the current stock level is. Now, as I've just created this particular product, of course, our stock level is 0. I can go ahead and edit the reorder levels. So the preferred stock level is 100 units. And the reorder level, I'm going to reorder if I have only 25 in stock in Sydney. And I can set a different level in Melbourne, which might like 25 units on stock, and reorder never, because it's mainly held in Sydney. In my nonsense example, I can choose storage locations, which of course I can add. You can associate storage locations with the site. So for example, you could set up all your bin numbers, or you could set up rows in a supermarket. You could set up the location in your wine room, anything you like. It's all logical and it's all mapped according to the business unit, then a type, and then the individual unit. This area here allows us to inquire on the stock level at various sites. So you can quickly just flick through and see what was the starting stock, how many are sold, etc., etc. Images. You can associate images with Amicus. Amicus manages images properly. We keep them in our database, nice and centrally. This is important for when you wish to synchronize images amongst multiple sites. No such working out of a file folder and hoping that it's up to date. This is the proper way to do it. All you need to do is add an image and choose the image you want. You can, of course, add a new one. And I should have chosen an image. I'll choose that one. Once you've got an image, you can additionally say what that image is for. So, for example, you could say this image is the product pad image. This image is for the customer display, and this image is to be displayed on the web. History. Simple tool, allows you to inquire on the history of a product. Was it at Melbourne? Was it at Sydney? What did you do with it? Sell it, purchase it, transfer it out, adjustments, stock takes. A quick tool to allow you to find out what happened with a particular product. Products in Amicus can also be hired. If you choose to hire a product, you can set the deposit amount. You can configure that to be a percentage of the value of the product, which it is in this case because it's disabled. Oh, sorry, it's because I haven't checked the box. You can also make that so it's a percentage of the value automatically. You can choose to hire it by hours, days, or a fixed period, and frequency multiplier is simply how you wish to do it. I'll go into more detail about hire in another video. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that. There we go. Pages. What's this about? Well, I'll explain. On the product pad, this area here, we have a number of pages. If you would like to display your product as a button on a page, all you need to do is choose which page you want to put it on. Let's put it on the tasks page. and click Add. Note that I chose a product pad image. There's my product there. If I go ahead and unselect that, it will be displayed as AVC product, being the description of the product I entered in the first place. Okay, that's all the tabs I have to show you about product management in Amicus. There's a lot more to show you, so stay tuned in our YouTube channel. Thank you for your time.